according to the manufacturer. All you have to do is connect it to the wheel, press the button, and wait for about 6 minutes. The kit contains not only a powerful pump, but also about 15 ounces of special sealant. It can quickly seal punctures up to 1/4 of an inch, is non-toxic, and doesn't corrode tires or rims. For convenience, it is enclosed in a removable cartridge. The pump is equipped with the Inflate Right technology, so it will automatically shut off when the specified pressure is reached. There is also a digital pressure gauge, and the built-in 350 lumen flashlight makes it even more convenient. Once installed, it provides sway protection, excellent handling in curves, and even reduces tire wear. The thing is, the system helps distribute the load evenly between all the wheels, which is especially important for driving on curvy roads. It causes the tires to wear more slowly and evenly. For now, the system is compatible with a limited number of vehicles. For example, there is a variant for the Toyota Fortuner and the Isuzu MU-X. Installation will not require complicated operations like welding or drilling. As a result, the suspension will become stiffer, which, according to the manufacturer, will improve your car's responsiveness at high speeds. Protective mat are so tired of dirt on their pants and coats that they created a Kickstarter campaign. The mat fits a variety of car models thanks to its universal size and weighs less than 3 pounds. Installation is tool-free and takes about a minute. The model is waterproof, fire and scratch resistant. You can also use the mat for car repairs or resting. And the creators are so confident in the product that they offer a lifetime warranty. This mobile kitchen will help you eat not only sandwiches, but nice meals created by Gordon Ramsay. You can set it up in 30 seconds, and it has everything you need. A sink, 2 burners, a worktop, dish drawers, and even a 3.7-gallon mini fridge. The water tank holds 2.5 gallons, and there's room for a special 2-pound gas tank. The authors of the project note that the kitchen is compatible with almost all cars that have a tow hitch. There's a special platform for installation, and with a filled water tank, the kitchen weighs only about 100 pounds. Load cargo. It is universal, suitable for almost all models, and allows standing on 2 feet. The model stands out for its unusual mounting option. It is fixed on the door latch. Thanks to this, the step is compatible with both passenger cars and trucks. The construction is designed to hold up to 400 pounds of load and will not leave any scratches or dents. The angle is also adjustable, and the step weighs about 2 pounds. The manufacturer highlights that the design was inspired by eagles. The mounting hook resembles a beak, the legs are the claws, and the platform is the wings. Do you think it looks similar? Kupper Mounts team presents their product. They have a lot to be proud of. This stand mounts in less than 2 minutes and allows you to transport a bike weighing up to 45 pounds. Thanks to the vacuum locking system, the bike can be transported either horizontally or vertically. The rack works in all weather conditions and is compatible with mountain bikes, road bikes, and other types of bikes. Traditional racks will soon be a thing of the past, says the manufacturer. However, transportation requires removing the front wheel of the bike, so the engineers still have some work to do. That combines compactness and multifunctionality. There are different models to choose from. The most compact one holds 4 gallons and weighs 53 pounds when full. 2 holes are provided for draining and pumping water, and a built-in automatic valve lets you release excess pressure. It comes with 55 and 81-inch hoses, so it's convenient not only to shower, but also to rinse fishing rods, bicycles, and other items. And the universal stainless steel mount ensures a secure fixation and is compatible with most roof racks. It's equipped with an electric drive and will run for up to 5 hours on a single charge. The cart will help you haul loads up to 500 pounds across the toughest terrains. The built-in headlights are handy for work in the dark, and the unique electric drive system and the 12-inch wheels provide stability and maneuverability. The manufacturer offers several specialized options. For example, a cart for hunters and fishermen is equipped with a camouflage-painted platform and allows you to set the mounts for fishing rods, and a USB port for charging gadgets is a nice addition to all models. Weighs about 125 pounds and is one of the lightest tents of its kind. This South Korean-made tent is full of interesting solutions. For example, the roof has a window, and a special lining reduces the risk of condensation. Climbing into the tent is easy thanks to the handy telescopic ladder with sloping steps. The model is designed for year-round recreation, and you can easily dismantle and assemble it, even if you're on your own. The universal mounting system allows you to put the tent on the roof of almost any car, including truck cabs. It might seem useless, but it depends on how you do it. For example, using the right images, you can inform the driver behind you that there is a problem at the crosswalk, or indicate the inappropriate use of high beams. You can't add your own emojis, but the manufacturer promises to gradually expand the library. The device is easy to mount, is controlled through an iOS or Android app, and also supports Siri. The 1700 mAh battery will last about 20 days of use. Would you buy one of these? At once. For example, it can be used as a portable starter. The manufacturer assures that the power is enough to start vehicles with a gasoline engine up to 1.5 gallons and a diesel engine up to 1 gallon. Also, the gadget features an 8000 mAh portable battery, a compass, a thermometer, a window breaker, an emergency rope, a flashlight, an emergency alarm, and other useful stuff. The case is so strong that you can even use this gadget as a hammer. It's also water and dirt resistant, and thanks to its compact size, fits in the glove box or cup holder. It weighs about 2 pounds. Four sensors and a monitor adapted for quick installation on the windshield. The system was designed for South Africa, so it is dust-proof as well. The monitor has a solar panel and can also be charged via USB cable. The sensors are battery-operated and can be installed with the help of a special wrench that comes with the kit. There are customizable signals indicating that the pressure is too high or too low, as well as if the temperature limit has been exceeded. The information is displayed as a diagram, and the measurement units can be changed. Much easier. It works about 50 minutes on a single charge. The removable brushes and the built-in flashlight won't leave a chance, even for dirt in hard-to-reach places. With a 2.2-inch diameter body, it's smaller than a thermos and lets you work with one hand. Efficient cleaning is ensured by a sensor that automatically increases suction power when it comes into contact with debris. The container holds 2.3 ounces, and there is a dual filtration system. Buyers are satisfied, and some use the vacuum cleaner not only in the car, but also at home.